immense. The massive tamarind trees, some reaching 40 feet, thrive in this arid environment. Adapted to the intense desert heat, the young tamarind pods slowly mature, a splash of vibrant green against the arid landscape.
Let's get this side down.
Watch the wind.
All right, hold it steady right there.
The tamarind harvest relies on gravity, with the heavy pods dropping softly onto the canvas spread across the arid landscape.
This is a good yield this year.
Best we've seen in a while. The pods are huge.
We have to keep these rows straight so they dry evenly.
Yeah, I know. It's hot out here today.
The hydraulic press applies immense pressure, slowly compressing the clean tamarind pulp into a dense, marketable block. A forklift navigates the towering stacks of tamarind, a crucial step in bringing this versatile fruit to market across the globe. The tamarind pulp, once harvested, is gently cooked in these massive steam kettles, creating that signature dark, glossy consistency. In this state-of-the-art rendiculity, the shells are diverted for nutrient-rich compost, while the fibers become essential cattle feed. From blocks to concentrate and candy, the day's yield of tamarind is meticulously prepared for shipment across the globe. As the world sleeps, the work begins. Millions of pounds of produce move through this depot before the sun rises.
Easy now, keep it coming straight back. All right, pull the forks.
The convoy pushes deeper into the unforgiving red desert, leaving a trail of dust that can be seen for miles.
Available as a block or paste, tamarind offers a distinct sweet and sour flavor, now easily accessible in supermarkets worldwide.
We're proud of the work we do here. This tamarind is a taste of the desert sun.